Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text wrap in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document. Then, firstly, go to the Windows menu and click text wrap. Then, go to the file option and place a picture. Then go to the now I am go my picture location. Now here are many picture. Now select one picture and click open. Then drag and place this picture. Then you can see this is my picture. Then move this picture crop this picture easily. Then go to the Windows menu and go to the text tab. Then click wrap around object shape. Then go to the type and click the drop down menu and select this. And you can increase or decrease easily. I will increase this. Now you can see add text wrap in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.